Let's rhyme together. Bear and care. New and blue. Cat and bat. House and mouse. Book and look. Snail and whale. Red and bed. Pen and 10. Tree and bee. T and knee. C and P. Dog and frog.